Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the anchor exists and is targetable. Add a class like blue link or rely on the selector. This gives you a single place to control color. Once done, write a rule such as blue link color, blue, in your style sheet so styles aren't overridden by inline attributes. Make sure to avoid setting color on a parent element only. That can get overridden by user agent defaults. This first change immediately makes the link visually distinct and controllable. You should implement link states so color remains consistent across interactions. Add rules like a blue link visited color, blue, and then a blue link, hover a blue link, focus color, dark blue to communicate interaction. Once done, check selector specificity. If a user agent or other style sheet overrides you, increase specificity with container blue link or move your CSS later in the cascade. Make sure to test keyboard focus so accessibility and color feedback are intact. You finish by testing the link across browsers and devices to confirm the blue appears as intended and passes contrast needs. Once done, inspect the element with dev tools to view the computed color and see which rule wins. This helps you adjust selector weight or file order. Make sure to clear caches and disable extensions when results differ. If the link still isn't blue, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify specificity and cascading order. Higher specificity or later rules will override.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.